You can't go wrong with Roof Right. I'm telling you the God's honest truth. Good morning, I'm Frank. I live here in Sykesville, Maryland. I've only been here for like a year and a half, and I went to add my personality to a house where the family had lived for close to 50 years. And so I let my fingers do the walking through Google, and I came across Roof Right. And I called, and I was so impressed with the way the person welcomed me, and I explained I needed new gutters, and she said, well, we'll certainly have someone come out and see what they can do for you. Gentleman came out, he said, yeah, we can go ahead and install gutters. I said, can you give me black gutters? Whatever color you want. So the gutters were installed. Beautiful. Person came out, were you happy? Oh, more than happy. I said, but I got a question to ask. You all do like vinyl siding? We do vinyl siding. I'm like, okay, I've gone from gutters to vinyl siding. And so vinyl's installed, and I said, do you happen to do shutters? We do shutters. So we're talking about maybe a 5-month period where I've been asking for projects to be done, completed to my satisfaction. And really the hallmark of Roof Right is everyone says we want for you to be satisfied with our end result, the work we do, because we look at your house as our house. And as homeowners, whether we're in a townhouse, whatever, we wanted to show that we're proud of what we have. And so we went on to fascia. The gentleman, I think his name is Mr. Todd, he says, I'm gonna work on this. Sure enough, he actually hand-created a fascia that's much thicker, and it really adds a regal look. It ties everything together. Let me just show you, look at this fascia here. This is Todd's doing. I mean, that's craftsmanship at its best. So we've gone from, like I said, the gutters to the shutters to the vinyl siding and then to fascia. And then there are a couple other projects before I'm going to leave you all alone. I'm not dealing with some conglomerate where they're based in Chicago. You're here in Maryland. It means everything because, you know, you're giving back to the community. And you get to make connections and relationships along the way. Because let's face it, you all are stuck with me now. I'm stuck with you, so you know. What's that one song? Stuck on you? Yeah, I'm stuck on you like Velcro. Everyone from making the phone call to production manager, this person, that person. And then what I really appreciated, there's follow-up to make sure that I was satisfied, to make sure that you're satisfied. It's very clear there's a shared vision among staff that, you know, as a family, we want to do what's right by our company to make sure that we give quality service to those for whom we work. You know, I'm somewhat of a perfectionist, retired school principal, and I expected the best out of my staff or my students. And I carry that with me whenever I'm, seeking contractors to do work for me. And again, I'm not one who's going to micromanage, say, I'm not like that. But, I wanted to show that it's of quality. And clearly, Roof Right, everything, high class, outstanding. Second to none. And so I highly recommend Roof Right to anyone interested in upping the game with where they live.